Hi, my name's Fish. I'm the guy that roasts your coffee. I'm also the guy that goes to Jamaica and buys it from the farmers. I'm the guy that ships your coffee. I'm pretty much the guy that does everything here at Thunder Mountain. That's why your coffee ends up being so good, because I do it just like I do it for myself. First, we start with the best beans available. I get these beans from the farmers in Jamaica. Don't mind Lefty the parrot. These beans go through quality control at every step of the turn. Before I start roasting them, I look for any anomalous beans that I don't like. And then we get rid of those right away. This is my little roaster. It only roasts about a pound of beans at a time, and as you can see, it doesn't have any automation on it. It's on, off, and a temperature control, so I pretty much have to monitor the roasting process at all times. That's what makes your coffee taste so good. I don't roast the coffee until you make an order. So in the day or so it takes, day or two it takes to get to you, it has time to rest, and carbon dioxide gets out of the beans, and it should be in perfect drinking condition. If I see anything I don't like in there, I can get it out. That's the beauty of having this nice small roaster. Sometimes, you know, you get a piece that roasts faster, or some dirt or something, pull it right out. Coffee's a lot like popcorn. When it roasts, it cracks or pops. Right now it's starting to get into its first crack. It cracks twice though. We roast all our coffee in medium here. That brings out the most of the complexity of the flavor of the Blue Mountain coffee. I think if you over roast it, it kind of hides the flavor. Periodically we blow the chaff off of the coffee too. Our coffee is all hand processed, so it's a little dirtier than most coffee you get, being that it's hand picked and the parchment's taken off by hand. Pretty much everything's done by hand until it gets to me, where I put it in this roaster and it sees electricity for the first time. Okay, beans are coming into the second crack now. You can see they develop a lot more smoke. And what I want to do is just get these beans to where all the beans have just hit their second crack. That's when the most flavor comes out, and you can really taste the nuttiness and the chocolateness of the coffee. Okay, about to take them off here now. You can see they're still finishing their cracking and roasting. We move them over here to the drying sheet, and I shake them around until they get evenly cooled. It also has a lot of perforation in it to let out any of the small pieces of roast. Now we let it cool and then look through for any burnt beans or anything like that, and then bag it up and it's on its way to you. You can see that there's hardly any oils coming up on mine, just a little bit starting to come up. And that's how you want your Blue Mountain coffee to come out. Any bit more and it destroys the flavor. You're just drinking burnt coffee. After the beans cool down, we put them back in for another sorting process here. It gets the last of the chaff on and gives me one last look at the beans, see whether I notice anything that doesn't belong in here that's burnt. And then let them fall through the air into the can. That relieves the rest of the chaff. So you get a nice clean product here. And then the next step is we put it in the bag, put it in the priority mail, and it shows up at your door 2 to 3 days later. Can't get fresher coffee than this. Emperor brand, 100% Blue Mountain coffee.